Hey everyone, in this video I will show the top 5 best table saws in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a weekend warrior, finding the perfect table saw can make all the difference in your projects. So, let's roll up our sleeves and explore the top contenders in the market. But before we jump into our top picks, let's quickly go over the criteria we use to evaluate these table saws. We considered factors such as power, precision, safety features, build quality, and of course, value for money. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check the link in the description below. We aim to help you make an informed decision based on your unique needs and preferences. Starting our list at number 1 is the DeWalt DWE7491RS 10-inch table saw. Given the variety available, it's almost impossible to pick a single best table saw that will meet everyone's needs. The DeWalt DWE7491RS is the one that, in our opinion, comes closest. It has the performance and durability demanded by tradespeople, and capacities that could make it the only table saw most keen DIYers ever need. Maximum depth of cut is 3-1 divided by 8 inches, meaning it will easily handle 2x dimensioned lumber used for framing and construction. A ripping capacity of 32-1 divided by 2 inches makes it great for plywood and other sheet materials. The table offers good support, and the extending fence has a rack and pinion drive that makes it easy to use and delivers repeatable accuracy. There's a nice chunky wheel for blade angle adjustment and a big stop button front and center where it's easy to reach in an emergency. There's a 2-1 divided by 2 dust port that can be hooked up to a shop vac or other extraction. The included blade is 24-tooth tungsten carbide tipped. It's okay, but those looking for a better finish to their cuts will want to upgrade. The DeWalt table saw comes with a rolling stand that offers good stability and folds down quickly for transportation. It is held in place with 4 bolts, so it is easy to remove for bench top use if preferred. Coming in at number 2 is the GoPlus Ironmax 10 inches table saw. We generally avoid power tools from lesser-known brands for fear of poor build quality or reliability. The GoPlus table saw is an exception. It might not be the tool for precision woodworking, but it has similar features and capacities to many better-known rivals at a fraction of the price. With a maximum depth of cut of 3 inches and ripping of up to 26 inches, it will handle most common store-bought construction and DIY materials. The aluminum table has been coated to provide an easier sliding surface. The fence runs on plain rails rather than rack and pinion, but it has an easy adjustment system and a magnifier lens over the scale to improve readability. The included stand raises the saw to a comfortable working height. Assembly involves 24 bolts, so it takes a few minutes to put together, but it provides good support once assembled. A surprisingly good 36-tooth TCT blade is included. So far, so good. However, while most buyers we surveyed appear happy, inconsistent quality control means some saws arrive needing a lot of adjustment before they can be used. Whether the GoPlus is the right table saw for you will depend on what is expected of it. It is suitable for many construction and DIY jobs around the home and yard, but we wouldn't recommend it for those expecting high accuracy. At the halfway point, we have the Skil TS6307-0 10 inches portable table saw. Several of the top table saws we looked at offer good stands, but none match the simple efficiency and affordability of the folding stand on this Skil model. This table saw is an attractive proposition all around. While it costs more than some of the budget table saws available, it is well below the price of premium models and, in many ways, offers comparable performance. When deployed, the Skil table saw stand provides the stability necessary for working with large sheet materials. To use the saw as a benchtop model, there's no need to undo lots of nuts and bolts. The legs tuck under with a simple button push. A 3-1 divided by 2 inches maximum depth of cut is very competitive, though the 25-1 divided by 2 inches rip is less than some. The fence has the rack and pinion adjustment we prefer for accuracy, and the tool-free micro adjustment for blade alignment is a nice feature. However, the supplied blade is only 24-tooth TCT. It's not bad, but those working with hardwoods will probably want to buy something more robust. Breaking into the top 4 is the SawStop CNS 175 TGP 236. The SawStop safety system has saved over 6,000 fingers with the patented technology that recognizes human skin. The T-Glide fence assembly can't be beaten at this price, making this one of the safest and best performing table saws in its class. This is also the best table saw for contractors looking for a combination of precision and performance. It has all the features you need to make specialty cuts and the power to make them. Precision is built into this table saw, starting with a heavy cast iron top with a diagonal flatness measured at 0.010 maximum gap and 2 steel extension wings. Want more functionality? SawStop has inline cast iron router tables that let you do even more with your tool. Rounding out our top 5 is the Skil SPT99-11 heavy-duty table saw. Heavy-duty work requires a specialized machine, like the Skil SPT99-11. This saw has a worm drive, which puts the motor at the back of the saw for better torque. The SPT99-11 offers a 30.5 inches rip capacity with a cutting depth of 3.625 inches, along with features like an insert plate, wrench, and push stick. The included Smart Guard system has an anti-kickback device, which is a nice feature, given that this is designed for bigger cuts of wood. The whole thing comes on a large rolling rack that's simple to move around your job site. Plus, a dust port elbow makes for easy cleanup when you're all done. There you have it, our top 5 best table saws in 2024. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, investing in the right table saw can elevate your projects to the next level. Check the links in the description below. I mentioned each product. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy woodworking!